Hello and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentle. Here are today's top stories. Lieutenant Governor of Delhi V.K. Saxena dissolves Delhi Assembly. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi submits her resignation. BJP Meghalaya celebrate party's win in Delhi. Win motivates party workers to work hard, says W. Pochna. Common platform for Maukar Pinthorum Kra constituency held at Community Hall, Darbar Shnong, Windor. And the West Jaintia Hills District Wusu Association organizes a felicitation ceremony to honor 12 medal winners. The news in detail. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has handed over her resignation to Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena today, a day after her Aam Aadmi Party faced a crushing defeat in the assembly polls. Atishi, who retained her Kalkaji seat, handed over her resignation to Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena at Raj Niwas this morning. Meanwhile, Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena has dissolved the 7th Legislative Assembly of the National Capital Territory of Delhi with effect from February 8th. Talking to the media, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva said that the BJP will fulfill the promises made to the people and make Delhi a developed capital. The BJP in Meghalaya yesterday celebrated the party's win in the Delhi election. Party workers burst crackers outside the party office in Shillong to celebrate the occasion. Party General Secretary Wankit Pochna said that the win will also motivate the party workers to work hard for the upcoming MDC election and ensure that the party wins all the seats in the polls. Party also present on the occasion.
That's why we are here to celebrate, to even tell the people of Meghalaya that it is now about time that look up to the party, and we will ensure that we will bring the governance, the good governance which the party ensures as usual. It will boost, it has already boosted the morale of the Karyakartas, and I'm sure now the Karyakartas will go down to the field and tell people that come, vote for us, and we will bring that desired change.
A common platform of the MDC candidates contesting for the Maukar Pinthorum Kra constituency was held at the Community Hall, Darbar Shnong, Windor on Saturday. The candidates were given pointers to speak on the 6th schedule and Article 371, issuing of trading licenses, their take on uranium mining, environment and sanitation. PNC aim from Congress stressed on strengthening the district council with an addition that no act of parliament shall apply. Gordor Nongkanri from NPP observed that there should be a recruitment policy in place. Diton John Walang, an independent candidate, also took his turn, saying that he opposed uranium mining.
Di Borough District Council tidak permit kinong kibastaan.
Di Bandung, di amendment kibatamai, di takum ke jingkut kabadon haga artikel laispan buai. Kabar ban penting kena yang jintrikan kebak hampria kamha kamjanai. Haga executive committee, haga legislative berkumjuro akan kita ibadah judiciary. Kumjuro naga benta bana bentai susu yang di district council pun haki hima haki right bat haki snong.
Haka bayade bat ka thungkam tangjam. Katang akwa banbu ba dalang apoy hindi ako ka district council lalaw pa ba ang ibet yung yang akan poin katega 18 kaniga Maukar Pinthorum constituency ba ngila ba ngin bu pung kakanja recruitment mansel kabangila bangin thungkam thungjam ye kita gibeli hok kibanyo lingba ki advertisement
Ladangan dia gayo manong unang mikmat jampi nganam aila banti ini marko kendo nama kalong jima batkam tamen le kala ban kita e papai kia bad ya gayo ke em jom itu mitang baram ship itu benda kiba don ni urenem.
Three political organizations from Nongstoin held a public campaign yesterday in Nongstoin Market to express their views and stand on the upcoming MDC election, which includes the HSPDP, NPP and Independent Party, while the other two parties include the VPP and BJP, who were not in attendance. The three political parties presented their agendas and principles regarding the election for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Badariti Lingdok Nonglait, HSPDP candidate, took the stage to deliver a speech along with the principles of her party. ALC Aim, Secretary of the NPP Nongstoin, spoke on behalf of NPP candidate Dresar Marngar, while independent candidate Michael Thongni also addressed the rally, sharing his views and the work he has done for the area over the past few years.
Lajan man kat liu yin uniu drugs lawan ban yatma ban penyap iki kun kasi kara hangno don lawe kum kajar tan riu ladaki kun samla ki jongi ki ngob bat ki sharp yatma drugs ki kun samla ki blam ngop drugs tang arsnem ne laisnem ki la poison riu put
kun gidong song song namar katangim dai ban saya lam makala ya tu ipi Baradu bangi lami madan bani alam yang ada kat Thai Nongstoin nyimpan alam baklai upai ba dang hai ni kediat segi yo i balai ngot kinong som jong ke jela MEGHALAYA gila yo priang ya ka license di do yong nang Thai na kam mineral kadega mine mineral ministry mau ti siap kimla ban sei Kadau pa naman kadai, kadan ka central law, pat ka state law, ka basim ya ka bantapan, kang ya ka district council, pakan yo ya ka board, pan ay play lai lo chikipay pa. Kane kani ka nuksa ka barit. Manta kila ay pat sa kaway ka an ka baklan halo kata-kata. Pat kata ka an, kalong kung ka jingpang cancer, kalong kung ka jingpang pong, ka jingpang bampong, ya ka 6 schedule. Pat kani ka an kiong, Municipal Act tidak kendai sepatnya pulai.
A sesquicentenary jubilee culmination program of the Garo Baptist Convention, also known as Achik Baptist Dalgipakrima, is taking place at Bethel, Abri Balupara, the permanent campsite of Garo Baptist Convention in Babadam village. The program has come to its final worship service with Reverend Dr. Prabhu Singh, Principal of the South Asia Institute of Advanced Christian Studies, Bangalore, as the speaker. Many guests, including Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma, Power Minister A.T. Mondal, MLA of Mahendraganj constituency Sanjay A. Sangma, and other local dignitaries, guests from overseas and many believers across the world have arrived at the venue. Special songs were presented by Reverend Dr. Jeremy Mayers, Wadanang and Tura Church Choir, and women pastors from ABDK Krima 4 during the program. Who has vowed to destroy Hamas and bring home all captives held by the Palestinian group Hamas following a fifth hostage prisoner exchange on Saturday under a ceasefire deal in Gaza. In a video statement, Netanyahu said that they will eliminate Hamas and return their hostages and denounce Hamas as monsters after the handover of 3 hostages in Gaza early Saturday, during which they appeared emaciated and were compelled to speak on stage. The Ribhoi District Cricket Association, or the RBDCA, held a cricket talent hunt on Saturday at Kurkalang Field in Bhoirambong, aimed at identifying cricket talent from both male and female participants aged 10 to 16 years. The event was organized in collaboration with the Eastern Ribhoi District Ribhoi Cricket Development Unit. The talent hunt was coached by Shankar Newar, BCCI Level 1 coach, along with other helpers. In his speech, A.G. Sten, the chairman of the Eastern Ribhoi Cricket Development Unit, expressed his gratitude to RBDCA President Reynald Kharkamni for his initiative in organizing this event, which has allowed the youth from Bhoirambong region to showcase their cricket talent.
RBDCA beri wei na ki beri pek na betul kerpang ya ka kriket di lengba jongki ni layo bani trelang ban warra sakhamat ikini ki hebret ki badan kesap kapong ki dei sin ke ban kong in pala ban ong ba adu kanong ilala ban warra iki kena ya gari ka jing sedang ingin pala long ba ban yolut iki kena iki kendong keseret tek sulong menumla lakatno la wan lakat taru ni iba kidon hadu live ho tamah lepasan lep serungut kita lawan register mentagasngi.
The West Jaintia Hills District Wushu Association, or the WJHDWA, yesterday held a felicitation ceremony to honor the 12 medal winners from the Wushu events at the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025. The ceremony Biani Hall. Krubok Pasa, District Sports Officer, served as the chief guest, while Patrick Lamare, Vice President of the WJDSA, was the guest of honor. The event celebrated the dedication and skills of these athletes, highlighting their contribution to the sport of Wushu and bringing honor to their district. The WJHDWA expressed immense pride in supporting and recognizing these individuals and their achievements. Reward Mickey Lingdaw, a gold medalist in Kung Fu style and a silver medalist in the traditional Nanquan at the Games, shared his journey in an interview. Satisfy Singkon, a gold medalist in the 56 kg women's category, also shared her perspective, emphasizing the value of practice and participation in state-level tournaments.
Penyoga yang so wa tiang do kata hewan ye bi wan rai ki medals ya ke district ko meya yang pi hewa de yoi wa ke tikre stong yang pi kini ki si wa de mem man ki wala noi man ki wa sei so hewa borok kini wa yo medal tikre stong ki
kong ma persnya chwa ye wa kaiga tingla stong yok ni chwa pol MEGHALAYA Games ko chwa pol MEGHALAYA Games da mi ye ke district level pemani district Desember sorry yang district Desember acara khusus da den tu ka district games ngadi yo kam gold medal kaniga district game da den ite yo ni ya ka coaching camp chwa pol ye kaniga MEGHALAYA Games pimen
Nilai nama kamu bersama bahawa definisi yang dibuat bahwa imbang district level terpoi lebih tahu MEGHALAYA participate in MEGHALAYA Games dan champion itu orang kamu pun create lah national games champion create kamu atlet hab practice baik tahu untuk detail untuk dan hab lain haga state tournament wa organize dekat state association dan job ini betul dah jet ke state association mulai participate di national championship dan ketua national championship kan yo chak sedakan mulai have national games then.
And now for the weather. First, let's look at the weather report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 14 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 27 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 76%. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 5.7 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature recorded at 18.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 53%. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was recorded at 6 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 20 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 67%. The forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai say that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick look at the headlines. Common platform for Maukhar Pinthorum Krak constituency held at Community Hall, Dorbar Shnong, Windong. And West Giant Hills District Wusu Association organizes a felicitation ceremony to honor 12 medal winners. That's all the news we have for today. Thank you for watching.